a nostalgic feeling that, after 6 decades, to be precise 62 years, this aircraft has been decommissioned. The only supersonic aircraft which could just about do supersonic was a Hunter aircraft. Participated in 65 operation first, did exceedingly well in 71 operation. That was the first time one experienced a reheat on an engine. It's like somebody kicking on your backside and asking you to do everything right. It has got a cylindrical small fuselage with very thin delta wing. Type 77 is like a Ferrari. It has got beautiful shape. 80% of or 85% of the pilots who were flying fighters in Air Force have sometime or the other flown MiG-21. In fighters, there are always ejection seat. So for pilot to die in an aircraft, there has to be something more than just the machine. The best machine extracted the best from it, and right time to say bye-bye.